guys, welcome back to another JJ Fat video. Today we will be doing an unboxing of an RC car
from Traxxas, and the link will be down in the description below. And
enjoy the video. You can slap that like button
and hit that subscribe button like you never did before.
You might see a few stuff in here. The first thing that you pull out is the RC car itself. Yeah, there it is. So here is the RC car. So guys, I don't know why, but this thing is really big. This is like a beast. We never even. I haven't even drive this yet, and not even my brother. But this is like huge, and I can tell that this is actually really fast. I can tell. So just look at all these details. Just look at the front. I don't think you can see it, but it says Traxxas, the fastest name in the radio control. I don't know, let's it this way. So when you see these little metal clips, you take them out like this. Yeah, it looks like one of those buggies that you see in others. So let me explain the main parts. So this is the antenna, which connects to the receiver, and this is the battery compartment, which get plugged into this cable. This is the motor, which is also connected to the speed controller, and you can start it by pressing this button for about 2 seconds. But I'm not going to do it right now. We'll do it later at a park. These are the oil-filled shocks, and when you push it down, the shocks embrace the impact. And if you're confused and you don't know which one's which, like the speed controller, motor, whatever you forgot, there's an instruction manual in the box.
Yes, and it comes with an instruction manual. It tells you everything, well, most things about the car, like where's all positions, what you can do with it, and all of that. It's in this one. And it comes with this guide. It tells you about different batteries and different speed controls. Some paperwork. And the truck comes with a battery.
Only one. Just one. But you can buy extras if you want.
And it comes with a charger
for the batteries. And for
the battery. 2 bags of extra tools, so like extra parts, sorry. Extra tools and Allen keys. And this is the remote control. And yeah, that is it. One more thing, that it comes with, I believe, AA batteries.
4 double.
And yeah, that is it.
And now, we're gonna get ready to take this thing for a spin. Alright guys, this is the end of our video. Hope you enjoyed the Traxxas 4x4 Slash and the drone shots. Oh, I really liked it too. And I hope you enjoyed it as well. And make sure to click that subscribe button and hit that notification bell and slap that like button. And I'll see you soon in another video. Bye.